Hey guys, so here are a few clips from this week's mock driving test. The full mock driving test video will be uploaded this Sunday. The learner driver's name is Wendy, and during the test she said a few things which you don't really want to hear on a driving test. As you'll see from the following clips, this was quite an eventful driving test.
I'll say something. Sorry, I'm not used to it. Oh, that's a fail. I think that's what I'm waiting for the vroom, for the vroom, for the vroom, but it's not happening. Gosh, it's much harder than I thought. Is it a 30-mile road?
This one?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, shit. Oh god, they're not happy. Oh no. 1, 2. Oh, 3.
Keep going, please. Keep going. Keep going. Go, 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 go. No, you have to go. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Keep going. More gas.
Is it this one? I think so. I can't remember. Right and then left. No. I'm like so close to the curb.
Okay,
that was poor. Usually I do it really well, I promise. That was really poor.
Like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, you can see the full driving test this Sunday.